3 more strategies that are free and easy, and you can all do them all at home to help you recover from the Purim spiel. The first is some gentle exercise. It could be as simple as walking or gentle rebounding, something like the health bounce. You can see my YouTube video on the health bounce, because exercise has been shown to increase circulation in the brain, boost your hormones like serotonin and dopamine, which are happy hormones, and help detoxify your lymphatic circulation from the toxic intake of whatever happened over the Purim period. So exercise is the first. The second is because alcohol disrupts the circadian rhythm, our sleep cycle is thrown off. Therefore, go back to bed. You don't need a doctor's letter to do that. I'll give you permission right here. Off you go. Go back to bed. Pause the video and watch it when you wake up. Bottom line is, go back to sleep, get that extra rest, and that will reboot your circadian rhythm, get it back into cycle once again, and therefore you'll be able to be feeling fresh and at your best. And the third strategy is really important, because if you, like most people who at the whim of feeling unwell or even suspicious that they may be getting unwell, they pop a pill, an ibuprofen or some anti-inflammatory, over-the-counter anti-inflammatory. You need to know that these medications are processed in the liver. And if a person has been having too much alcohol, the liver is already in toxic overload. And taking these medications to avoid a hangover or treat a headache can actually compound things and make matters worse. So number one, think ahead and hydrate well. See those other videos. Use some of the natural remedies I spoke about. And if you can, just go to sleep, walk it off, rest it off, and that way you can feel at your best.